Welcome to Minexa.ai. I'm going to show you how to easily scrape precious metals prices automatically, no coding needed, and no technical skills required. I'm navigating directly to the page with the results already loaded. From here, just open the extension by clicking its icon in the browser. The panel is visible. Click the violet button, and Minexa gets to work analyzing the precious metals prices list on this page. Pagination detected. Minexa will move through every page automatically to collect all the gold and precious metal listings. Choose List Only, or go deeper into each results detail page, depending on how much data you want to extract. Default is Continue, but if your target page needs submitting forms or applying filters first, you can select Advanced to set that up. Minexa highlighted the data block. Click Create Scraper, and it learns every field automatically on the gold and precious metals listings page. Every field found, like metal type, price, change, and timestamp, select what matters, and this scraper handles the rest every time it runs. For those building pipelines, click API Request, copy the code, add your URLs, parallel processing handles the rest automatically. Click Complete Configuration, and everything is saved and ready to reuse for future data extractions. The navigation is detected and ready. Every run goes through all pages automatically, without extra setup. Final screen. Set a frequency here if you want Minexa to rerun this automatically, then complete setup. Hit run, and the scraping job is underway. No bad rows slipping through unnoticed. If something on a page looked wrong or didn't match the trained structure, Minexa flagged it explicitly rather than silently including incorrect data. This ensures your dataset is accurate and reliable. Typical data points include metal type, live price, daily change, and timestamp, all neatly organized for your analysis. Hit Export, and the full dataset downloads immediately, ready to open and use in Excel or your favorite tool. Minexa turns any website into structured data automatically. Unlike tools needing pre-built scrapers, it works on any page for anyone straight away.